Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gaz919 here, and today what we're going to be doing is we are going to be finishing off the engine thing that I started. If you remember last time we sprayed the airbox, and this time we're going to spray the sort of inlet pipe. First I'm going to give it a bit of a clean though. To get this out, all it is just this here. You just sort of twist that out, and then there's just 3 little rivets in here that come out. It quite typically just so happened to rain. I about just managed to save it after I put the clear coat on, and I don't think the result is that bad. So we're going to stick it on the car now, probably dry it up a bit, and then see what it looks like. All in all, I think it's turned out pretty well. It's a bit shinier than the box, but it looks loads better than what it was. It goes nicely with the grille. So that is it for this video. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time, peace.